Hi, did you enjoy my video called Do What You Love? Do you want to learn the moves? Well, let me teach you so you can dance along. Alright, let's get started. Just a little tip, every new move that I'll be teaching you will start on my right side. Okay, now I want you to imagine having an imaginary paintbrush in your hand, on your right hand. Now move your body, put your weight on the right side, and I want you to paint, paint, paint. So that's how the song starts. It says, I like to paint, paint, paint. Let's paint together. Ready, go, and paint, paint, paint. Good. Now we're going to draw. We're drawing on a table. So bring your hand low on the right side, and I want you to roll as if you're doing a funny drawing. So you're gonna go draw, draw, draw. Okay, let's do it again. We're painting. We go, I like to paint, paint, paint. I like to draw, draw, draw. Got it? We'll do it one more time. Ready, go. I like to paint, paint, paint. I like to draw, draw, draw. Now we're going to, I like to dance and sing and play. Now my weight should be here on my left side because I was just drawing there. Now I'm going to transfer to the right. I'll bring my right foot to the side again. Side, together, and then left foot to the side, together. So we go, I like to dance and sing and play. Got it? Let's start from the beginning. So grab your brush and we go, I like to paint, paint, paint. I like to draw, draw, draw. I like to dance and sing and play. Got it? Now if you want to add a little bit of hips, you can. If not, it's just a side, together, side, together. If you want to add hips, you can make little circles with your hands and then move your hips. I like to dance and sing and play. Then we're going to go, I want you to clap, I like. Okay, so we go, I like to dance and sing and play, I like. To hop, 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 hop. So what do you think we're doing now? We're hopping. Just like that. Now you can do whatever you want with your hands. You can wave them, you can close your fists, or you can bring it up. But make sure you hop. Okay, so you go hop, 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 hop. All right, let's start from the beginning again. I think you're doing great. All right, our weight is on the right side. Grab your brush, and now we go, I like to paint, paint, paint. If you want to add a little attitude to it, go for it. It will look cool. I like to paint, paint, paint. I like to draw, draw, draw. I like to dance and sing and play. I like to hop, 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 hop. Got it? Good job. If you need to review this again, go ahead, rewind your video and look at it so you can relearn. I'm going to move along to the next section. Now the next section, it's something a little bit different, more inviting to other people to join you. Okay, so now we're going to say, let's do what we love. I want you to invite your friends. Come on, let's do what we love. So you're going to start with your right hand and you're going to go, let's do what we love. And then you're going to close your fists, close your hands, make a fist, and I want you to have a good time. So you can kind of just move your arms side to side and have a good time. Let's do that again. Invite your friends. Let's do what we love and have a good time. Now we're going to say, because we're cool. So point at yourself, because we're cool and God is good. Thumbs up. God is good. You're pointing at God and you're giving a thumbs up. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, let's start from the beginning of the section, the second session. Okay, so now we go, let's do what we love and have a good time because we're cool and God is good and everything will be fine. So you know what? We're going to raise the roof. We're just going to have fun. Just show that you are happy. So you can jump or you can just stay still, but just move your arms up and everything will be fine, like that. Okay? Jump. Okay, let's go from the beginning again of that little section. We go, let's do what we love and have a good time because we are cool and God is good and everything will be fine. You got that? Now, I also invite you to take 2 steps forward because it's more like you're approaching your friends. Hey, come on, let's do what we love. So take 2 steps forward. You go, let's do what we love. Get closer to them. And then you're going to have a good time, okay? So if you want to, take those 2 steps. If not, you can just stay still, stay in place. It will work too. Very nice. Woo! Let's now put the 2 sections together. The first one and then the second one. All right, we're going to start on the right side. Right here, grab our brush. We go, I like to paint, paint, paint. I like to draw, draw, draw. I like to dance and sing and play and clap. Hop, 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 hop. Again, paint, paint, paint. I like to draw, draw, draw. I like to dance and sing and play and clap. Hop, 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 hop. Now we're inviting, let's do what we love and have a good time because we are cool and God is good and everything will be fine. Good job. Were you able to do that? Ah, that was so much fun. Can't wait to dance to the music. Okay, now there's just a little bit of a change that happens right at the end. Now it says, I like to dance and sing and play. It has a long play. We're not going to clap that time. We're going to run forward. We're going to go, I like to dance and sing and play. So we'll get all the way up close and then we'll hop back. Hop, 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 hop. Got it? Now the very last hop should be a pose because the song will be over and you just want to end with a bang. So think about a pose that you can do. You go hop, 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 hop. Hop, 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 hop. Whatever you want to do, you can get on the floor. Hop, 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 hop. You can do whatever you want, but just make sure that you pause. You're gonna pose and pause. No movement after. And then you can bow and say thank you very much. Okay, now let's do it to the music. All right, everybody. It's time to move your body. I like to paint, paint, paint. I like to draw, draw, draw. I like to dance and sing and play. I like to hop, 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 hop. I like to paint, paint, paint. I like to draw, draw, draw. I like to dance and sing and play. I like to hop, 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 hop. So let's do what we love and have a good time. Cause we are cool and God is good and everything will be fine. I like to paint, paint, paint. I like to draw, draw, draw. I like to dance and sing and play. I like to hop, 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 hop. I like to paint, paint, paint. I like to draw, draw, draw. I like to dance and sing and play. I like to hop, 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 hop. Did you enjoy that? Were you able to dance along with me? I hope you did. Well, if you're still having a hard time, go back on the video, practice a little more, and then let's dance together. Bye!